We are going to do the third part. At this moment, we be able to do this right now. Sorry. At this moment, we are able to sell the ticket by the price. So we will say we will print the C out and we ask them how much, I want to buy the $50. So your C is at row 1C3. The price is $50 and notice that C is marked as 0 right now. Okay, that's finished part 2. We are move on to part 3 right now. The part 3 will be, we're going to sell these by the C now. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to say this void is also void. It's okay. And you want to sell, let me see how I call that. I call sell, what do I call that? Did I call sell by C? Let me see, how do I call that? Yeah, I believe I call sell by C num. Sell by C num. That's how I call it, right? And you also need your array anyway. All right, so I want to sell by C num. It's okay. All right, so that's coming back to the thing I explained to you. I want to sell. The first one was sell by the price. Let's go to the sell by number. When I sell by number, I still have my price chart and I still have my C number chart. It's exactly the same theater right now. So what happened is this. If you tell me you want to buy a C, you will not tell me you want to buy 0 row. You will tell me you want to buy second row. Okay, second row, the third C. All right, so can anybody tell me second row? All right, so let me write it down the thing I want to buy and see if you can convert that into array index. I want to buy second row and third C. That's what I want to buy. I want to buy second row and the third C. Second row and the third C. Can you convert this second row and third C to 2D index for me, please? Tell me, where is the second row, third C? Anybody? Is this the second row, the third C? Yes or no? Let me know, please. Yes or no? Is this the second row, third C? Yeah, okay. So if I make this second row, third C. All right. So the index for that is 1 and 2. 1, 2. So Caesar already told me that the index number is whatever this number has to subtract 1. This number has to subtract 1. Is that agree with me? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So we are going to continue here. So user enter your row, first row, third C, and I have to subtract. Number one, if that C is not there, we just told you that, no C. That C is, if we see a 0, if you see a 0, that C was booked, was sold. And I'm searching for that seats, okay? After I do that, I have to subtract 1 to the index number and subtract 1 to the row number and to then display that price for you. So you want that C, specific C, I need to search by this way. Okay, so where's my Now, so far, okay? Right now, are you okay, everybody? So now you understand that's how we're going to write the cell by the C number, right? So let's create a definition right now. And I'm going to close it and go under that to write it. Is that okay? All right. So gentlemen and ladies, I'm going to sell my C number. So first you have to tell me the row and the C number. For this one, you need to tell me that. Is that right? You tell me the C. So you probably will tell me that enter the row you want. Okay, you want which row. And then you told me the row. Okay, so what happened if this? If the row is not good, okay, hold on. I think I need to fix this. If a row is inside the range, that will be 1 to how many row? 9 row. Is that right? All right. So 9 row, the 1. Okay. And row less than 10. Sorry, less than 10. So that will give you 9 row. Is that, gentlemen? Remind me, is that 9 row? 9 row. Is that right? That's good. So that will give you 1 to 9. All right. So then you are in the right row right now. And I'm going to ask you, C out, enter the seeds you want. It's okay? All right. All right. So now the C is 1 to 10. Okay? C is 1 to 10. So we're going to say this. If your C num is greater than 0, and also your C num is less than 11, let me put less 10. That's we know that 1 to 10. Okay? 1 to 10. So inside that. So we got that. So you are at the right range. All right? And then we're going to check. Okay? That C has to subtract by 1. Your C's, that C, and the row has to subtract by 1. And your C num has to subtract by 1. Do I spell wrong? No. All right. And that thing, after you subtract by 1, is not 0. That means it's not sold out yet. All right. So that C is not taken. All right. So we are going to tell you this. See out. The C is at in whatever row, right? And the C is whatever C number. Okay, whatever C number there. So we got to tell you that. Now we have to tell you what you want to know, the price. So C out, and we'll tell you the price of the C is. But when I do like that, I have to go back to use my index. Okay, that'll be row minus 1, and that'll be my C number. Yeah, C number minus 1. I have to go back to like that. Then All right, that's it. Then I'm going to end up line. All right, so after I finish these, I have to say, see, uh, that row. Yeah, you have to minus one too. That row, and by the way, it's S. Okay, sorry, it's S. And the column, no, the C number, the C num has to minus one. Okay, that C need to reset to 0. Okay, so I find that seeds. Okay, then that now you did not find that seed. You tell them else. All right, see out. Sorry. Yeah, sorry is good enough. Seeds already sold. Okay, that's it. Then you pick another seed. All right. Sorry. Now here we finish all these. See here. Let me see. If these see here. So let me double check. Okay. So if already sold them. All right. So I'm come on here right now. So this is this is the seeds, or yeah, and right here, if you are not within the range, so this is not in, if this in the range, okay, I go to do that. All right, so if you tell me wrong number, wrong thing, I'm going to tell you that see out, sorry, invalid C numbers. Okay, I tell you that we don't have a C. Okay, then let me see what else I need to take out. All right, then we probably need to do one more right here, because that's a C number. Then I also need to, let me see, else that I think I also need to tell you. All right, so I take care of that. If you don't give me the correct the C number, I tell you that. If you don't give me the correct row number, I also tell you that. Okay, now let's try to see if that work right now. To be able to work for that, and I'm going to just comment out sell by price. Is that okay? I'm going to comment out these, and I'm going to just oh, sorry, yeah, okay, I'm going to sell by C number. Is that right? Okay, and I am going to right here is I'm going to do what, my seeds. Okay, let me double check. Do I print seeds at the end for this sell by? So I did not do that. So I can do here print. Uh, is that print seed? Is that right? Print seed. All right, and I'm going to just call these. Okay, print seed. Wait on. Let me see. Print seed. Do I spell wrong? Seeds. Print seed. All right. No. Okay. Let me run it right now. So I mark it out the sell by seed. The sell by price. I'm going to sell by seed now and see if that's okay. All right. So let's build it. and start without debugging right here. All right, so I want to buy this one, the $40 one. Can anybody suggest me what number I should put in? If I want to buy the $40 one, what should I put the number? Row is what? What's row? The $40 is row 1. Is that right? Anybody can help me? Luis, can you help me? The $40, the first $40 is which row? Row 1. Okay, so I'm going to 1 here, and the second C. Okay, I'm going to do like that. So the C is at okay, I didn't write it very good. I should add and put a row at row 1 and C2. The price is $40. Okay, so let me go back to modify these right now, please. So then the C is at, I think I need to write another row here. Row, okay, add row. Okay, row, something like that. All right, so I'm able to do this right now. So far, okay? Do you understand? Yes or no? All right. So I'm going to stop